The SEC chairman says Bitcoin is not a security, but most ICOs likely are. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto News for June 7th, 2018. Hey guys, welcome back to 4-Minute Crypto for your daily dose of crypto news. And don't forget to subscribe and have daily crypto news updates sent straight to your device. Go to 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for more information about subscribing. Hey, maybe share it with your friends. Now today's show is from a post by Molly Jane Zuckerman at Cointelegraph.com. Jay Clayton is the chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, often referred to as the SEC. And he believes that Bitcoin is not a security since it acts as a replacement for sovereign currencies. Clayton said, replace the dollar, the yen, the euro with Bitcoin. That type of currency is not a security. Now, while Clayton did not comment on specific assets beside Bitcoin about their status as securities, he did go on to explain that what he considered to be securities are tokens that act as digital assets, where I give you my money and you go off and make a venture, and in return for me giving you my money, you say, hey, you know what? I'm going to give you a return. This is a security, and they regulate that. We regulate the offering of that security, and we regulate the trading of that security. Now, Clayton also added that the SEC won't support changing the definition of security to support the ICO community. Now, the SEC chair had previously praised distributed ledger tech and blockchain during February's SEC and Commodities Futures Trading Commission, which is also called the CFTC. Now, that's a crypto hearing. At that time, Clayton noted that every ICO that the SEC had seen so far would be considered a security. Now, that's kind of interesting. No, there was. Every ICO that the SEC had seen would be considered a security. What do you think? Is every ICO that exists a security? Wow, let me know. This episode of 4-Minute Crypto was brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Take a look at this great new crypto conference scheduled for this summer in Dallas, Texas at bitblockboom.com. I'm Gary Leland, and thanks for tuning in. This is a CryptoCousins.com production.